I'm still just creeped out by what it is.
We're excited. We're doing a full afternoon of food tour here in Istanbul.
Yeah, 3 hours. We're excited.
We haven't eaten all day, so bring it on.
Yes.
We started the tour with, of course, traditional meat and chicken doner kebabs.
I got the chicken one. Wow. This is good. It's got pickles in it too. Yum. That's how to have your chicken.
Tomato sauce.
It's wet from all that tomato sauce.
It is really tasty, yeah.
Oh, really?
Sure, it's really unhealthy.
Is it beef or lamb or mixture?
Tastes like beef to me.
Oh, okay.
But it's like a, sweet burger bun as well, covered in tomato sauce.
I think it would be better without the bread.
Yes.
The tour started in Taksim Square before we headed off down Istanbul Street. Next up, we got to try some roasted chestnuts. You'll see these stands all over the city. Often they'll come with corn as well.
Thank you. Okay, so roasted chestnuts. It's supposed to be for Christmas, right?
What in Germany? You might eat it.
That's on Christmas market. Because they're not here.
That's true.
Nice.
The climate is much colder than
It's dry, but sweeter than I thought. Like Anna said, it would be good with a glass of red wine.
The next stop was full of yummy looking Turkish food.
Potato. It's chicken with tomato sauce and mashed, rendered yellow cheese on top.
Oh.
And this is
It takes 3 hours, 4 hours to make it. Eating it 2 minutes.
Really? Oh, that's all right. Is this beef or lamb or mixture? Beef? I'll have a little one.
okay. So we keep this for you. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
So, meatball in meatball.
Yes.
Yeah, meatball stuff with people.
This is the most flavoursome one we've had. It's really good.
Now it was time to try Simit. You can choose all kinds of different fillings.
This one, they call it stuffed with. I call it spread with anyway. Stuffed with cream cheese. We're getting one with Nutella as well. I find Simit's a bit dry, but it's nice with cream cheese.
I quite like it.
Nothing beats Turkish delight in Turkey.
Oh, it's very good, isn't it?
Yeah, way better than the stuff you get elsewhere. Now some halva with pistachios in it from the same candy store. Apparently it's going to be made with really good quality tahini. It's not as sweet as it looks, and it's quite sesame seedy. Ha ha ha, but yummy.
Old baklava.
Old man.
Yes. This is very traditional dessert. Cook it in a huge pan, in huge quantity, and you're supposed to distribute to the people living in your town. So it's not something you make and eat yourself. No. You make everyone, and you share it with everyone, and whomever you bring the bowl of Ashure, they will have a huge smile on their face.
Not heard of cold baklava before. It's an old recipe from the Ottoman Empire. Next along we had trileçi, one of my favourites, and then we were all a bit unsure about tavuk
You got to try everything, but I can't believe a dessert can have chicken in it. It's not bad. I think I'm still just creeped out by what it is. It doesn't taste too chickeny. Oh, it's sort of.
Sort of like the.
At the end it does.
Never tasted anything quite like it. It's probably better at Sunday roast than a dessert.
It's got apples, apricots, chickpeas, beans in it. And on the top, dried fruit and and nuts. Tastes really good. You would never guess all those strange things are in it. It is so yummy.
I think we're all in a bit of a food coma now, but we're going to try and squeeze in a bit of God's lemon. Super freshly made by these lovely ladies.
We had a great time on the food tour. Highly recommend it. It's a perfect way to try so many different Turkish foods. We put a link to the tour in the description below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with Turkish food. Any crazy dishes?